You make me wanna throw my picture out the window. Tell MCI to cut the phone poles. Break my lease so I can move. Cause you a bugaboo, a bugaboo. I wanna put your number on the call block. FAOL, make my email stop. Cause you a bug.
I don't need no fake. Soon as I wake up, keep an eye out for the snakes.
Hey guys, it's Sochar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm filming my room tour. So I've been working on my room since May and it's finally done for the most part. I may add a few more things. So yeah, I love it. So when you first walk into my room, I have this mirror, some books, my purses, perfume, my jewelry, and some camera equipment. Hey y'all, so this is my room. I just got this pumpkin plant from outside. Cut it, sprayed it with hairspray. Over here, y'all can see my nightstand area. Over here, my pumpkin plant I got from outside, and it looks so professional in my opinion. I would have never guessed I got it for free outside. And then y'all see my little mirror right here, so cute. And my trash can, it's this silver trash can I got from Walmart. And I have my dog Winter's bed. Nightstand area, I got here. And then I see I have my lady over here, the candle. I have this little fireplace going. I absolutely love my TV. I have a smart TV so I can watch YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, a whole lot of stuff on my Samsung smart TV. So yeah, I got this from Best Buy and it's definitely worth it. Then y'all see I have my mirror right here. It's a full body mirror and I got this from Walmart, y'all. Only $60. Isn't that crazy? So definitely go check out y'all local Walmart. They had another style that was like wooden brown around it and it was so cute. But this gorgeous matched my room. So yeah. Subscribe me. Yes y'all, I am loving my room. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you reached the end, make sure you subscribe. If you're not subscribed and you watch this whole video, what are you doing? You know you want to subscribe, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Sochar. I have so much more content on the way. Bye bye, see y'all in the next video.